Welcome to the main event. We have a 5-book unboxing, or unwrapping, as it were, from CBCS. Sorry about the noise. This bubble wrap is legit. They are not getting hurt. I got one of the golden tickets from Comic Tom during my August mystery mail call. I packaged up 5 books. I sent them off. I don't think I got the discount that the comic ticket offered me, but for 1/3 the cost of the CGC with the same turnaround time, I got these back in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks at 1/3 the cost of CGC. Now, they carry roughly 20% less value because they are in the CBCS holder. That is a non-judgmental statement based on market analysis. But I'm getting ready for Lilac City Comic Con in Spokane, Washington, October 2nd and 3rd. And I wanted these 5 books with me. So, even though I didn't get the free one that I was supposed to get graded, I got them back. They will be available for sale. And I saved some money from what they would have cost me otherwise. I'm sure that sounds awesome. Right here in my ear, it's the sound of a Christmas present in September. So, one of these is going to be super old and probably very low grade. The rest of these should be much higher grade. And they're all modern. The 4 other ones are modern. Right off the bat, we have a win. I bought this book for $1. $1 at an estate sale. I knew it wouldn't come back to 9.8, but we have a 9.4 X-Men 11, the Pressman variant. You go ahead and take a look at that thing and tell me I didn't do really, really good at $1. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. Now, you know what other book I bought for $1 at that estate sale? Resident Evil #1. It came back in a freaking 9.6. Oh my goodness. That is a monster good book right there. Hot damn. We are...
I'm going to screw with the lights a minute.
We are looking real good. The total investment, shipping included, for those 2 books is about $93. I'm telling you right now, I tripled on that for 1 book. Holy shit. I'm excited. Now, the reason, like I said, I sent these to CBCS. I got the golden ticket from the Comic Tom mystery mail call. In that mail call, I got the Ice Cream Man 24 Virgin variant exclusive. And that shit came back at 9.8. Yes! Guys, this is a great unboxing. This is a great unboxing. 2 books left. I'm going to try not to look. Dad's probably already looked at the last one. Another Virgin variant right here. Department of Truth number 11. Big Department of Truth guy. I've loved them. Watch some of my other videos. You'll see a bunch of their covers. This is a sweet, sweet Virgin variant. Loving that one in a 9.8. Wow. Now, I have not looked yet. Dad's looked, I'm sure. The last book in this submission was a Silver Age first appearance of a major DC character, the Blue Beetle. We bought this at the same estate sale. I think we paid $50 for this book. A $58 submission fee. I just about had a fucking heart attack right there. We got an 8.5! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Okay. Damn! I was expecting a 4.5. No, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god!
That some bitch is pretty.
Oh my god! So, I'm gonna go ahead and find some ice and cool down now.
Good job,
Thank you
Travis.
guys for watching.